Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to generate an app password for Zoho Mail, step by step. If we want to securely access our Zoho email or connect third-party apps, this tutorial is for us. On the Zoho dashboard, to generate an app password, all we need to do is go to our mini profile icon in the upper right corner. We click on it and a pop-up window will appear. We then click on My Account and we will be taken to our account page. Here we can see our security settings, multi-factor authentication, and other options. Everything is available in one place. To generate a password, we simply click on Security on the left side. Then we scroll down until we see Generate New Password. Once we click this, a new password will be generated. Next, we enter the app name and choose which application we want to connect. For example, we might select an email client or another app, depending on our needs. This helps us create an app-specific password in Zoho, so we can easily connect our email to apps like Outlook, mobile mail clients, or other services. It also covers enabling two-factor authentication before generating the app password. Once we are ready, we just follow the on-screen prompts and generate the password for our chosen app. That's it. We now know how to generate an app password for Zoho Mail.